Fabrication drawings are essential in steel manufacturing projects. They provide detailed blueprints that guide every stage of production, from initial design to final installation. These drawings ensure precision and clarity, enabling engineers and fabricators to work seamlessly together in complex steel fabrication environments. At the heart of steel manufacturing, fabrication drawings support manufacturing accuracy by offering exact specifications for cutting, welding, and assembly. Using advanced CAD and BIM detailing, these drawings translate design intent into precise instructions, reducing errors and ensuring components fit perfectly during production. Fabrication drawings also play a critical role in workshop coordination and material planning. They help fabrication engineers organize workflows efficiently, schedule CNC cutting and welding operations, and manage steel inventory. This coordination minimizes waste and streamlines production timelines in busy fabrication workshops. Detailed connection drawings within fabrication plans clarify how steel components join together, improving installation efficiency on construction sites. Clear instructions reduce on-site adjustments and speed up assembly. Overall, fabrication drawings are indispensable for maintaining quality, precision, and smooth project execution in steel manufacturing.